Hello guys, this video will be in English. الفيديو التالي بالإنجليزية، الفيديو باللغة العربية، بتجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Maps or Google Street View 360 panorama images. Before we go, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and sub my channel if you like my videos. So let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh is information technology specialist.
شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh earlier.
Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
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 This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
So as you see guys here, this is an 360 image, panorama image downloaded from Google Image or Google Street Views. So to download this first, let's go to, let me just reduce this a little bit down. So let's go first to the Google Maps, okay. You can go to maps.google.com, or if you have a mobile, you can go directly and search for Google Street View map application. So let's go here to, where should we go to? Amman, Jordan, maybe? And place here. As you see here, there is a guy on the bottom right corner. There's a guy here. You can move this guy to any place you want in the area you want to see in 360 view or Google Street View. It's gonna turn the Google Maps to 360 or Street View, Google Street View anyway. As I said, you can use the Google Street View mobile application. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. Before we go ahead, guys, you may have some troubles downloading or using this application. I'm gonna show you this in this tutorial on an iPhone or on Safari browser, even if you are using iPad or an iPhone. If you faced any issue, try to use your PC, okay? Sometimes you may run in an issue. Anyway, so let's say that we want to download this image, okay? So let's go to Google and search for Shreateh apps. As you see here, Shreateh apps. Just search for Shreateh apps. Pick up the first Google search result, which is my website, khalil-shreateh.com. You can also navigate to this link directly, khalil-shreateh.com/khalil.html/social applications. This subdomain contains all the free applications that I have in my website. Okay, so after that, go to Web Apps and choose Google Street 360 Image Panorama Downloader. Once you are here, actually the application is easy to use. You can use it even from your Android device if you are having an Android device. So let's take this image that we want to download. You need to copy the URL of the image. Right click on the URL and choose copy. Go back to the app. So after the app opened, if you have some ads on my website, you can close it from the top right X here, top right corner. Click the X to close the ads. Scroll to the middle of the page. You can read about this application. This is an article about the application. Anyway, here is the application. Paste the link of the 360 image. Once you paste it, you will notice that you have quality here down. You have like 6 type of qualities. If you choose the highest quality, your PC may freeze a little bit because it depends on your hardware, your PC hardware system. Okay, so I'm not gonna choose a high quality here. I'm gonna choose this quality, number 2, and then click on load image. Here is the image that we were looking at. Actually, here's the image, okay, and this is the preview of the image. And now just hit the download button. Okay, so let's hit the download button. As I said, it takes it depends on your PC hardware. It may lag a little bit if you use high quality. And this is the image that we just downloaded. Yeah, okay, let's zoom in As you see here, the quality is a little bit bad, but it is the same image that we choose to download, okay, from Google Street View. You can use this image, you can modify it, and then re-upload it to anywhere you want. If you have, for example, if you have a business on Google Street View and your business is shown up and you want to take a 360 view for your local location of your business, you can download this image using this 360 image panorama downloader from Google Street View and modify it on Photoshop, and then you can upload it anywhere else. Okay, this app is so handy to modify this. There is a little hint here. If you go to the app again, you will find that there is another option here, experimental feature. If you go to experimental feature here, you'll see that this is a map or a radar map. You can choose between these images. Any image you click, it will be auto-loaded here, and you can see that this is the closest places for the image you selected. So we selected this image. Okay, what happened here? Okay, we selected this image. You remember the first one we selected, and this is the radar, the 360 panorama's images beside that image we selected. This is all for the app. This app is so simple and handy. It helps you to download Google Street View's 360 panorama images. This is all for now, guys, but I have another hint for you. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll notice that I have many videos in English and Arabic. My channel is mixed between Arabic and English tutorials. For best experience, you can go to playlist tabs, okay, and then find the playlist which have English names, okay. Any playlist that with English name, it means that all videos inside it are with English language. This is all for now, guys. Don't forget to sub my channel and share with your friends, and see you in future tutorials. Bye bye.